It's a great day for a drive, especially in a 2016 F-150 XLT in blue flame. Gray cloth interior, seating for 6, 4 doors, and a 5.5-foot box. This has a 2.7-liter V6 engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. It's an XTR package, and that means that you have chrome accents, bumper, fender, running board, and handles. As well, you have a power sliding rear window, and you've got box link in your lined box. It's really easy to take this vehicle out on a test drive. You can book that online at islandford.ca. Stay tuned, we're going to have a look under the hood and inside and out. This is a 2.7-liter V6 engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. Let's have a look inside. In the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat and passenger seat are powered with lumbar, carpeted mats on the floor, and you have electronic parking brake, power pedals, lighting controls, and with a grab handle and running board, it's just easier to get in. On the face of the steering wheel, we have our dash controls, cruise control, media with volume, and hands-free dialing. And this is a push start. It's not a push start. It actually uses a regular key. So let's put that in and start up the vehicle. You're gonna see your odometer reading, the menu, and any important messages that should come up. And so let's get into our main menu here. I'm just going to get in, and I'm going through all sorts of different things just because I am a bit of a goof today. And you can see there's our menu, display mode, trip fuel, towing, off-road, settings, and these all have submenus. And on the shifter, it's a select shifter. You've got tow haul, which will appear to the right of the odometer reading, and then S for sport, and then off again. So you can put those on. You also have a little cubby up top, and there's your traction control, hazard lights, auto stop start for less idle time. And we're on our display screen. We can touch on audio and choose our sources, AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, as well as CD. We can go into our settings, and in there we have Bluetooth general, and we have valet, Android Auto, Wi-Fi, and we have display. So let's go into the display. You notice that it's dark and it's on the night mode. So we can actually change this to day, and then it'll lighten up and we can see it a little bit better. But if at night you wanted to dim it out, you could do that. And then when we put the vehicle in reverse, we're going to see our backup camera view. So this is right off the bumper, and this is what's closest to us. And it just shows you by the green, yellow, red how close you're approaching other objects or vehicles. Center line is located there. Let's put us back into park for safety's sake. Volume and tuner. There's your CD player. You've got heated seats for both driver and passenger, as well as your AC and max AC. And there's your fan, front and rear defrost. Down below, a couple of USB and a 12-volt. And you've got a little cubby down there, 4x4 locking differential. And you also have your Pro Trailer backup and integrated trailer brake controller. And in the center here, we have a couple of cup holders. You've got more storage in here when you open this up, and another seating position. Just give it a push, and you've got a seat belt. You can undo it on the bottom, and you've got more storage in there, and a couple of cup holders that are sitting there. Now, if you want those out of the way, you can just pop them underneath. You have a 12-volt and a 110 locking glove compartment, grab handle in the body, and you also have a auto-dimming rear view mirror, lighting controls, sunglass holder, and we have a power sliding window in the rear, and that's what that's for, and you're all set to go. Wheels, chrome and black running board, chrome door handle, keyless entry keypad, driver's side capless, easy fuel gas filler. The XTR badging, which indicates that you have the chrome accents, grille, fender, bumper, running boards, and handles. And in the rear, you've got a chrome handle for the tailgate, as well the backup cameras just below that handle, LED lights to the right, backup sensors on the bumper, 4 and 7-pin connector, trailer hitch, and a locking spare tire. And then when you want to open it up, just lift the handle. Inside, you've got tie downs in all 4 corners, a nice drop-in liner, as well as box link, and you also have the ability to remote start this vehicle using your fob, and then when you're ready, just close it up, lock it up, and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. Speaker in the door, as well as power windows. There's a grab handle in the body and seating for 3 with a 60-40 split. You simply lift the seat with one hand, and it's in the upright position, giving you lots of room on the floor, and you've got carpeted mats there. And when you want to bring the seat down, you simply pull the tab, and then you've got anchors at the base to be able to tether baby seats. There's slim pockets on the back of the front seat, a 12-volt and a couple of cup holders in the center, grab handle on the driver's side, and up top there's lighting, there's hooks off to the side, and in the back access to a power sliding window with rear defrost. Bumpers, lined 5.5 foot box, privacy glass in the back windows, heated side view mirrors, halogen headlights, fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us. If you like this video and would like to see more, please subscribe. We have plenty to share with you, and we love to hear your comments.